Hello, everybody. Welcome to fourth quarter. It's our last quarter of the year. Woohoo! So, a couple things you need to know. First off, every week you should check the announcements. I post an announcement for the week, letting you know what's due that week, as well as if you need to come to class and all that. So, in order to plan ahead, here is your syllabus. Here's everything that we'll be doing this quarter. There are actually two times when you'll come into yes, you'll come to Write Club twice. That's these 2 weeks in class. The rest is online. However, if you are failing, you will be marked as absent unless I get an email from you or see that you're actually turning stuff in. Each assignment is worth 10 points, and you'll either get 0 or 100% on the assignment, except for this last assignment, combining narrative and essay. That's going to be worth 20, and these two analysis will probably be worth 15 each, but the rest will all be worth 10 points. And this is your syllabus where you can come and look at everything that's going on, what's due, and all that. And as I continue filling it in this course, you'll get links. So you can be like, oh, I need to go do that mastery check. So you click on it and it takes you straight to the mastery check. You can complete it and be on your merry way. Okay, so late assignments. Notice these due dates. I do have a late policy because it is not appropriate to leave this assignment until the very end because there are in-class opportunities, as well as when you leave stuff to the very end, you don't do a good job, and you need my feedback on this stuff in order to complete it successfully. So the late policy is that you get a week after the assignment is due to email me and let me know if you need more time. If you do not email me within a week of the assignment being due, then the assignment closes and stays closed. Like, no, nothing. So, for example, this is due on April 7th. And you can see it closes on April 23rd, which is actually 2 weeks. I messed that up. Hold tight. Yeah, so it closes on April 16th, which is a little over a week later. So you have until April 16th to let me know you need more time. You can also just turn in a blank document or just do a bad job on it, and then you get more time automatically. So once you let me know you need more time on an assignment, or once you turn in an assignment and clearly you're going to redo it or something, then I just leave it open for the rest of the quarter, because that just shows me that you've thought about the class, you're aware of what's going on, just maybe you just don't have time at that moment to turn it in. So there's that. Let me see if I got everything else. We're just gonna look at the questions. So if you missed a due date, email me. If you get a 0 on an assignment and you think you turned it in, make sure you check the announcements. I mean, not the announcements, check homepage. On this right-hand side, there will be a little thing that says recent feedback. You can check the feedback. You can also go to the specific assignment and see the feedback. And let's see what else is there. If you need to redo an assignment and it's closed, what should you do? Just email me. I'll open it up for you for the rest of the quarter. How long do you have to redo any assignment? You actually have until the last day of the quarter to redo any assignment. And that also includes assignments that you've asked me to open up for you. Make sure you fix your notifications in Canvas so you will receive emails and alerts from me so you know what's going on. Email me with any questions. The learning activities are not graded, just the mastery checks. Not every module is going to have learning activities to go with it, but you just want to check on that. So, and then mastery checks are graded at either 0 or 100%. The only exceptions are like the major big writing assignments or quizzes. You can see the homepage. Okay. So let me show you what I was talking about mastery checks and learning activities. So this is just this course overview. There's no learning activities. It's just a mastery check because, I mean, you just watch this video and take the quiz. See, this just a mastery check, just a mastery check. Up here, you get learning activities like symbolism explained, ACT practice, writing a climax. So the learning activities are there to help you learn the content and review it before you take the mastery check. They're not required. They're not graded. If you don't do well on the mastery check and you get a 0, maybe you should look at the learning activities. Also, I cannot emphasize enough. If you do 75% of the mastery check, the assignment, you get a 0. So if you don't follow the directions, you get a 0. And I'll tell you why, and you can redo it. It's just because I have found with online students, I mean, it just helps just to do it all. Read the directions, make sure you understand it. It's either 0 or 100. Okay, that is everything. And thanks for watching.